Frequent sneezing? You might have allergies. Let's talk about it. It could start with that familiar itch in the throat or watery eyes that just won't quit. But don't stop there. Look out for puffy eyelids and post-nasal drip. These symptoms can disrupt your child's sleep, leading to crankiness and fatigue. But here's the big red flag to watch for. If you notice vomiting, diarrhea, or difficulty breathing, it's time to seek immediate care. Your early treatment can make all the difference in your child's life. So if your little one is struggling, don't hesitate. Comment below or share this with someone who needs to know.